Alright guys, this is box 3, 2012 Topps Archives break. Vlog to you guys watching live, and the ones not, you guys are on YouTube. And you're my eBay guys. So, there we go. This will be box 3. Box. And here's all of the packs. Pack 1, box 3. Ricky Weeks, Brewers. Hosmer Royals. Gardner Yankees. And we arrived at our first autograph. Jay Buhner, Seattle Mariners. I think that's the first time I've ever seen an autograph of his. Wow, that's pretty cool. Sticker card of Carpenter for the Cardinals. Buster Posey, Giants. Brian Wilson, Giants. And Paul Konerko, Sox. Rivera, Yankees. Catfish Hunter, Yankees. Prince Fielder, Tigers. Jared Weaver, Angels. George Brett. Victor Martinez, Tigers. Shoot, Indians. And Dave Wright for the Mets. Next pack. Lily, Dodgers. Romero, Blue Jays. Hernandez, Mariners. Grady, Sizemore, Indians. Teixeira, Yankees sticker card. Hellickson for the Rays. Rollins for the Phillies. And Pedroia for the Red Sox. Brandon Belt, Giants. Ackley, Mariners. Bailey for the Red Sox. Hamels for the Phillies. Terry Pendleton for the Braves. James Shields for the Rays. Teixeira, Yankees. And Hanley Ramirez for the Marlins. Rodriguez, Yankees. Johnson, Marlins. Rangers, Michael Young. Yadier Molina, Cardinals. Yankees, Mick Mantle, 3D card. Two of those. Howard for the Phillies. Euclid for the Red Sox. And Freeman for the Braves. Hudson, Braves. Hawk, Cardinals. Bruce for the Reds. Crawford for the Red Sox. Whitey Ford for the Yankees. Jamil Weeks, A's. Gonzalez, Red Sox. And Jimenez, Indians. Strasburg, Nationals. Beachy, Braves. Storm, Nationals. Keith Bell, Marlins. Sticker card, Kevin Euclid, Red Sox. Cabrera, Giants. Montero, D-backs. And Stanton for the Marlins. Cabrera, Indians. BJ Upton, Rays. Irvin Santana, Angels. Andrews for the Rangers. Willie Mays for the Giants. Reynolds for the Orioles. Latos for the Reds. Zimmerman for the Nationals. How's that pack? Lind, Blue Jays. Wade Boggs, Red Sox. Harrison, Rangers. Mark Reynolds, Orioles card, 1 in gold. Hologram ones. Gamble, Yankees. Linscomb, Giants. Duda, Mets. And Sandoval, Giants. Mike Davis, Mets. Yogi Berra, Yankees. Billy Butler, Royals. Mike Schmidt, Phillies. Juan Marichal, Giants. Brian McCann, Braves. Jose Bautista, Blue Jays. And Ramirez for Brewers. Next pack. Joe DiMaggio, Yankees. Worley, Phillies. Adam Jones, Orioles. Marlins, Jose Reyes. 3D card, Al Kaline. Tigers. Garza for the Cubs. Walden for the Angels. And Gallardo for the Brewers. Next pack. Okay. Carpenter, Cardinals. Uglett, Braves. Lance Berkman, Cardinals. Joe Mauer, Twins. Deckel Edge, Bob Gibson. Will be a Cardinals card. Things are pretty cool. Ichiro, Mariners. Pujols, Angels. Tigers, Cabrera. Chipper Jones, Braves card. Kershaw, Dodgers. Jeter, Yankees. Mantle, Yankees. Robin Yount, sticker card. John Lester, Red Sox. Kimbrel, Braves. And Napoli, Rangers. Ty Cobb, Tigers. Scotero, Rockies. Roberto Clemente, Pirates. Moustakas, Royals. Bake, McBride, Phillies. Guess his name's Bake. Crazy. Jim Rice, Red Sox. Matt Kemp, Dodgers. And Hunter Pence for the Phillies. Cahill, D-backs. Darryl Strawberry, Mets. Alan Craig, Cardinals. Ricky Romero, Blue Jays. Them gold foiled cards. Vida Blue, Athletics. Todd Hilton, Rockies. Chase Utley, Phillies. And Escobar, Blue Jays. Next pack. Still looking for our second auto, I think. Banks, White Sox. Lowry, Blue Jays. Justin Masterson, Indians. Carter, Mets. Larry Doby, Topps Archives. Cleveland. Halliday, Phillies. Avila, Tigers. And Pineda, Yankees. A lot of Yankees in this product. Let's see, on the back. Another Yu Darvish, Texas Rangers, it's third one. Greinke, Brewers. Holiday, Cardinals. Hayward, Braves. Michael Bourne, Braves. These are two are always back to back in the pack. It's weird. Another Holiday sticker. Phillies. Prado, Braves. of spades. Ace. Yeah. Braun. Brewers. Lotto. Reds. Vogelsong. Giants. Hudson. D-backs. Orlando Cepeda. Braves card. On his deckledge. Kochman. Indians. Joe Morgan. Reds. And Adrian Beltre. Rangers. Tom Seaver. Mets. Tigers. Justin Verlander. Jennings. Rays. And wouldn't you know it, we was just talking about that Mr. Bake McBride Phillies auto, man. Redman, I believe you have the Phillies, right? You have a Bake McBride auto, man, coming your way. That's pretty cool. I don't know who named the kid Bake, but hey. Catfish Hunter, Yankees sticker card. Evan Longoria, Rays. Victorino, Phillies. Cano, Yankees card. Bake McBride. Nice. Hey, you know what? Those guys don't sign a lot, man. That card actually might be worth a little something. Michael Morris, Nationals. And it's going to be something that people trying to finish the sets, too. I don't know. Reds, Chapman. Tulowitzki, Rockies. Freese, Cardinals. Jim Palmer, Orioles. In action. McCutcheon, Pirates. George Brett, Royals. And Carlos Santana, Indians. Justin Morneau, Twins. Garcia, Cardinals. Roger Morgan, Brewers. David Ortiz, Red Sox. 3D, Roberto Clemente, Pirates card. Nelson Cruz, Rangers. Josh Beckett, Red Sox. Cliff Lee, Phillies. 2 more packs, box 3. Trying to hurry up, guys. Hamilton, Rangers. Kyle King Jr., Orioles. Sanchez, Marlins. Kendrick, Angels. Ken Griffey, Sr., Reds. David Price, Rays. Corey Hart, Brewers. And Wainwright for the Cardinals. Peacock, Athletics. Pomeranz, Rockies. Santana, Mets. Dickey, Mets. Ryan Braun, Brewers card. He's got that dull look on his face. Rensselaer, Blue Jays. Castro, Cubs. And Valverde, Detroit Tigers. Last pack, box 3. Brandon Morrow, Blue Jays. Moore, Rays. Zimmerman, Nationals. Torrey Hunter, Angels. Reggie Jackson, and stamped archives cards for the Athletics. Buckles, Red Sox. Ivan Nova, Yankees. And Nolan Ryan for the Astros. I'm going to check myself out. I'll keep the video rolling. I'll do this in the truck still. Shots, give me a second. Give me just a second here. Okay. Alright, let me stop this video. Box 3 here.